The clash of the cymbal reverberates down through time. History tells us that cymbals were used in the Middle East in 1100 BC. Over the centuries, the finest cymbals were manufactured with secret methods for blending materials, and those time-honoured techniques still resound in cymbal making today. If you want to drum up a little excitement, nothing can beat the cymbal. Each cymbal has its own character, resulting in subtle differences in tone. Cymbal manufacture begins with castings. In this case, they're made of a blend of copper, tin and trace amounts of silver. They are sorted by weight. Then a moving tray that's powered hydraulically takes them to a rotary oven. 800 degrees Celsius heat softens the castings, which are then shoveled into a rolling mill. It squeezes them between two metal cylinders, and the effect is the same as rolling out pastry. These castings go through a heating and rolling cycle up to 12 times, depending on the type of cymbal being made. The repeated heating and cross-rolling creates a dense interlocking weave in the granular structure of the alloy. It will make the cymbal strong enough to take a real beating. The interlocking weave will also help transmit sound waves more rapidly across the cymbal. After the cymbal has been tempered and pressed into its final shape, it's placed on a spindle. While it spins, circular cutters shear the edges to a set diameter. Next, a hydraulic engine powers this hammering cylinder, and a computer program directs the force. These impressions will enrich the cymbal's sound by changing the path of the sound waves. Next, the tonal grooves are added. This craftsman puts the cymbal on a lathe, bottom side forward. The cymbal spins on an axle, while the lathing blade cuts into it. He starts with a handheld lathing tool, and then switches to one that's mounted on the machine. The lathing removes the cymbal's outer layer and carves those important tonal grooves into it. The depth and position will vary, depending on the type of cymbal being produced. The top of the cymbal is lathed entirely by hand, so it's easy to control the amount of pressure applied. No automatic machine can duplicate the fine touch of an experienced craftsman who has honed his skill over 5 years of apprenticeship. Now, the newly grooved cymbal is removed and put on an edging machine. A metal clamp locks the cymbal in place. It spins, while a cutting tool smooths the edge of the cymbal. Here's a before and after shot. The ragged rim is before edging, the smoother one at the bottom is after. This chap has the best job. He's in charge of quality control. That means he tests each cymbal before it's sent out to the marketplace. And he's having a smashing time. Now a laser etches the trademark into the cymbal. It also engraves a unique serial number. Next, a silicon pad sponges up ink from a print plate and transfers it to the cymbal. Now that the company logo is on, it's ready for shipping anywhere in the world. This rough metal casting has already come a long way. It's been transformed into a smooth, sleek cymbal over a total of 21 days. And that's reason enough to strike up the band.